Karan, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. Mostly we people as a journalist, we have often look up to you. I mean, we have seen you, interviewing a lot of celebrities, and you always, bring out the best in them. And now, you are soon going to do a film, and probably, after a certain point of time, people are going to interview you. So tell me, life in a certain way is coming to a full circle. So how's the feeling?
So it's feeling. I always, feel amazed by the fact whenever I, interview actors, directors, producers. I know their cinematic journeys. So I think creativity has no limits, and I have been doing acting earlier as well. But I think जब पर्दा बड़ा होता है, when the platform becomes bigger, suddenly, the perception of an actor changes, or the perception
Right.
of an anchor changes. Uh, I am the same person throughout, and I think yes, it feels good when you get greater audience and you reach more and more people. But
Right.
having said that, I think I will still continue, giving or taking interviews. I love knowing
Right.
about people and their journeys, and maybe one day I end up asking you about your life as well.
Right. Okay. You have worked as a model. Of course, you're a host. You interview people. You have worked in television. If I can ask you, what has been that one work? I would not say medium, but one particular role or one particular genre which really made you happy as an actor. What would be that phase of your life?
So I did a series called State of Siege 2611 on Z5,
Okay.
where I got to play a terrorist. And imagine in real life you will not even get to hold a real gun, and here I
Right.
am shooting. Almost all my scenes I am just randomly killing anyone on set, and not literally. But getting that, getting to play that character was really fascinating, and when I saw it on screen, and during the release, there was the beginning of the lockdown. So I
Hmm.
think almost people had no option but to watch content. So
Right.
luckily they
Right.
saw our series a lot because it released in March 2020. March 2020, जब lockdown शुरू
Hmm.
हुआ था. So
Hmm.
yeah, I got great response, and playing that was really challenging and fascinating at the same time.
Right. So, Karan, you've got an opportunity, of course, to work with actors. Of course, you interview them, okay? But if I can just ask you, what is that one actor? Yeah, who is that one actor who really, just made a great impression on you? Just say, आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा. So, who would be that one actor if you can pick one?
It's difficult to pick one because I think in the last 5 6 years I have almost interacted with everyone.
Hmm.
But I can share small things from 2 3 people.
Yeah.
One is Sri Devi ji.
Okay.
She came for her film Mom, and I was interviewing her, and she could calculate the distance of the light. Like if this light is here,
Oh.
right, she could
Hmm.
calculate how far is the light and what angle to be done. And I said, ma'am, how is this possible? She said, I've done 300 films. So
Yeah.
I have spent more than half of my life on a set. So
Hmm.
that is one thing. Then I think from Akshay, I learned he enjoys, thoroughly whatever he does. And
Hmm.
that's what, makes him what he is. And he's very disciplined. Uh, and from Ranveer, I learned just energy. He has so much of energy in him that it is infectious. Like whenever he's in
Hmm.
front of you, trust me, when you're talking, your energy level will also go up.
Right. Okay, so let's talk about this film which you are doing, and which you are really excited. If I'm not wrong, the look, the ball look which you had, it is for that film. So let's talk about the film. If anything which you want to say about the film, जितना भी बता सकते हैं, concept, anything you can please tell us.
So it's a film which is a remake of a Rajamouli Prabhas starrer. It
Okay.
was released in 2005 in Telugu, which was a big blockbuster in Telugu cinema. It's called Chhatrapati, and right now we are calling it as the official Chhatrapati Hindi remake.
Okay.
Right now we don't know what the title is going to be, so that's
Hmm.
why we're calling it Chhatrapati Hindi remake. and the film I think has got great actors. There is Johnny Lever doing comedy. There is
Okay.
Sharat Kelkar, where I get to do some neck to neck dialogue bazi.
Okay.
Bhagyashri ji is playing my mother.
Okay.
And again, she's a great actress, and I think she's now making a big comeback with some
Hmm.
great projects.
Hmm.
Then the hero is really, really popular in South, Belamkonda Sai Srinivas. This is his Hindi debut. You
Hmm.
won't believe, if you search Belamkonda Sai Srinivas on YouTube, you will
Hmm.
see his Hindi dubbed movies going 500 million plus views.
Oh.
500 मतलब गाने का नहीं इतना होता, पूरी
जी
पिक्चर लोगों ने देखी है.
जी
सो आई
जी
एम श्योर कि हिंदी भी जब वो खुद हिंदी बोलेंगे तो
जी
ऑडियंस उनको एक्सेप्ट करेगी.
राइट
देन नुसरत भरूचा इज प्लेइंग द हीरोइन, एंड
राइट
द स्टोरी इज नोन टू एवरीवन. ये विकिपीडिया पे भी उसका पूरा स्टोरी का प्लॉट है, तो आई कैन शेयर. सो आई एम प्लेइंग अशोक, द स्टेप ब्रदर ऑफ द हीरो,
ओके
जो बचपन में अपने भाई को माँ से अलग कर देता है,
ओके
और बाद में कुछ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं. देन दे बोथ
हम्म
क्रॉस paths in the life journey, and again he is, after his life, he wants to separate him, and spoil his image and everything. And he is a
हम्म
positive guy and an action hero. तो कैसे इन दोनों की जर्नी आगे बढ़ती है, and how
राइट
he becomes the masiha of the poor people, and what happens in the end is for you to watch.
Right, right. Since the cast is such a stealer, and of course, the story, as you said, it is going to be something which is look forward to. Tell me something, because, itne sare logo ke beech pe, just to make sure that, you also nail to the character, you don't get overshadowed, at least your presence is definitely felt. As an actor, what do you think when it comes to this thing?
सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ना, मैं हमेशा ये सोचता हूँ, एज एन एक्टर बस जो आपको डायरेक्टर कहे उतना ही करना चाहिए. कभी
जी
कभी हमें लगता है, ओ मैं इससे अच्छा कर लूं, मैं ये वाले सीन में मैं छा जाऊं. ऐसा कभी नहीं
हम्म
होता है. आई थिंक इट इज
हम्म
ऑलवेज अ टीम वर्क, एंड वट एवर द डायरेक्टर सेज, जस्ट डू योर बिट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड अ गुड एक्टर. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, इस फिल्म में लकीली मुझे बिल्कुल भी टेंशन नहीं थी, क्योंकि मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है उसकी
हम्म
प्रेजेंस ऐसे ही पूरी पूरी पिक्चर में, उसके सोलो शॉट्स लगे हैं, उसके
ओके
रिएक्शंस लग रहे हैं, वो पूरा प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग कर रहा है.
जी
तो कई बार मैं स्क्रीन पे अकेला ही हूँ, तो मुझे
हम्म
ऐसा कोई स्ट्रेस ना तो पहले भी था, ना इस
हम्म
पिक्चर में खास करके हुआ. बिकॉज
हम्म
ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है पूरी पिक्चर के लिए.
हम्म
और हाँ, सीन करते हुए थोड़ा सा लगता था, जब शरद केलकर अपनी बैरिटोन वॉइस में डायलॉग बोल
जी
रहा है आपको, तो आपके भी रोंगटे खड़े होते हैं.
जी जी
पर आई थिंक इट्स ऑन द अदर एक्टर. ही मेड मी सो कंफर्टेबल. ही सेड, तू ऐसे कर, तू ऐसे कर, ऐसे कर. सो इट
हम्म
वेंट वेरी स्मूथली.
Right, right, right. Okay, and any particular, workshop or maybe anything which you are doing especially to prep for the character which you are playing?
सो आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स बिफोर दिस, एंड इसीलिए कहते हैं कि एक्टर को या एंकर को या किसी भी आर्टिस्ट को
जी
जब काम नहीं होता है ना, तब भी अपने
हम्म
आप को तराशते रहना चाहिए. बिकॉज
जी
इस पिटारे में से कब क्या निकाल के देना पड़ जाए, यू नेवर नो.
या
सो
या
नॉट स्पेसिफिक फॉर दिस, माय डायरेक्टर सेड, जस्ट बी द वे यू आर. एंड इनफैक्ट
हम्म
वो मुझे कुछ मैं जो कर देता हूँ वो उनको ओके लगता है. सो आई
ओके
थिंक या तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कैरेक्टर रियल लाइफ में मेरे से उसके मैनरिज्म्स मिलते हैं,
जी
वो वही मिल गया जो उनको चाहिए था.
जी
इसलिए उन्होंने मुझे कोई ट्रेनिंग के लिए नहीं कहा, उन्होंने सिर्फ सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट करने को कहा. और
राइट
उससे पहले मैंने बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड की हैं. नीरज काबी जी हैं, बहुत बड़े एक्टर हैं
हाँ
जिनकी
या
वर्कशॉप होती हैं.
जी
अश्विन अग्रवाल हैं, वो एरिक मॉरिस टेक्निक ऑफ एक्टिंग सिखाते हैं. इट्स अ हॉलीवुड स्टाइल ऑफ एक्टिंग. तो मैंने वो
हम्म
सब अपने फ्री टाइम में वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड की हैं, जो मुझे काम आ जाती हैं.
G, G, G. Okay, can you tell me something? It's good because we all know you started, modeling was a part of your career, and, you did TV, you did, films before this also. So, you are there, you are actually in a way everywhere. But tell me something, it is an industry, jahan pe sometimes it becomes really, really difficult to survive, to get good work, and sometimes to just get work. And there are a lot of people definitely who are, struggling and who are, just keeping their foot, not the right foot, just the foot in the industry. So anything which you want to say to them, because you have been a part of that process. So anything which you want to say to those people?
Yes, first of all, please don't call it a struggle. Enjoy this journey. जब तक आप इस जर्नी को एंजॉय नहीं करेंगे, ट्रस्ट मी, आई थिंक आई हैव नेवर स्ट्रगल्ड. आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलवेज एंजॉयड. और एक सिंपल सी बात है, जितना बड़ा आप रोज मैं कह रहा हूँ, आप चाहे एक असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर को मिले, एक छोटे राइटर को मिले, आप एक छोटे, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि सीधा मुकेश छाबड़ा को जाके मिले, उनके असिस्टेंट से जाके आप बात करें, आपको हर एक क्रिएटिव पर्सन से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. मे बी दैट कास्टिंग पर्सन डज नॉट गिव यू वर्क नाउ, maybe he can call you after 4 years when he has become a big casting director or a director. Trust me, मेरा तो मैम किन्नरी यही चला है आज तक. From the last so many years, my network has given me and made me what I am today. Apart from the talent and of course luck and God is always there, and you can't deny that. This film also, I met someone 6 years back at a party of CCL. His friend was producing this film. And he said, hey, I think वो भाई ना तेरी तरह उसकी उनको बड़ी बड़ी eyes चाहिए. Why don't you meet the director? So I never went through an audition or there was a casting director for this film as well. Mukesh Chabra is doing the casting. But maybe his team did not think of me in that character. I went to meet the director for a cup of coffee. And without any audition, here I am bagging the biggest role of my life.
Right.
So it is network, it is talent, it is destiny, it is a combination of all these things.
Right.
अब आप किसी को नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते, भगवान ने क्या लिखा है वो नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते, पर डेफिनेटली आप टैलेंट इंप्रूव करें और अपना नेटवर्क इंप्रूव करें.
Right. But Karan, what about when things don't work out? There comes a phase that you're trying hard, that you're keeping your patient, but still things don't work out. So in that case, how have you managed, to stay calm, be positive and anything, because that is the need of the hour for everyone, especially an artist.
But that's what I'm saying. I have never tried hard.
Okay.
I have, of course, I mean, for example, let's say now I get to know, let's say, any big film. Abhi Raju Hirani sir is making a film, okay? And I know that they need some Punjabis. There is no harm in dropping him a message or his assistant or whoever or a casting director a message. But I don't call it trying hard. It is about, say, hey, do you think I fit the part? Okay, otherwise fine. So, I enjoy that as well. And I always have something, कुछ ना कुछ मेरे पास करने को हमेशा होता है. तो वो आप जरूर, जो भी लोग आप कह रहे हैं as such struggle कर रहे हैं, जो मैं नहीं मानता कर रहे हैं, but उन लोगों को भी कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करते रहना चाहिए. आप प्ले कर सकते हो, आज आप प्ले कर नहीं रहे हो तो आप प्ले देखने चले जाओ शाम को. दिल्ली में नहीं जा सकते आप 500 रुपीज खर्चा करके, तो आप छोटे वाले बुक माई शो या जो भी आप जिस कंट्री में भी हैं, you can go and watch. So if you keep learning and keep yourself busy, I think there is nothing called as there will be a phase कि आप बहुत try hard कर रहे हो और आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. कुछ ना कुछ जरूर मिलेगा.
Ji. Okay, and apart from this film, what is in your profession, like any project, any web series or anything which we can see you in for the thing?
See, this film is taking a lot of my energy and my time. And anyways, now I have got Sakla. So all my casting, they keep me, posted me for roles and which this look is not fit for them because they have imagined me in a different look, So I tell them, let's wait for my hair to come back or we'll have to go for a wig till February. So I'm honestly giving 100% to this film now. And of course, the talk show is still on. I think the US audience also watches it, and they, I think I get tweets. They love my interviews and they love the way I host. So वो तो चल ही रहा है. मैं Zoom पे भी कर देता हूँ और अभी बीच में अंतिम, चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी, सत्यमेव जयते, तड़प. Luckily theaters खुल गए हैं, and luckily the actors and directors are also feeling comfortable in coming for a proper in-person interview. तो वो जब time मिलता है, तो I am not fully employed with any channel, but when I get time, I freelancingly, I host and I come back.
Okay, Karan, last question. Was the decision of being bald, of course you love your character, you love the project, but still was the decision being easy? You thought something? How was the decision of being bald?
So it was a very tough decision and I was very stressful. I was very stressed and मेरी आंखों में आंसू भी शायद आ गए थे because I had never got this done. And I was very worried कि क्या निकल के आएगा. It's not a look test or a wig. It is actually, you're actually shaving your head and your beard. And I've never got it done ever in my life earlier. So that stress was there. And the director, he's very nice, Mr. V.V. Vinayak. He has given big blockbusters in South. And he, जो कितने क्रिएटिव लोग होते हैं ना, वो बहुत नरम दिल के होते हैं. मैंने देखा है, वो बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल होते हैं. एक आम इंसान से ज्यादा उनका इमोशनल क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा होता है. So he stopped the shoot for 1 hour. he said, okay, wait, let me ask the graphics team, हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में. But the scene required me getting shaved in the scene itself, so we had to do it. And एक बार जब हो गया तो फिर अच्छा लग रहा था स्क्रीन पे, and it was all worth it.
Right. And I'm sure, it is definitely going to get paid off, So, Karan, ending this interview, I just wanted to ask you one last question. As you just said, you've interviewed Sridevi, you've interviewed Ranveer, and, the newcomers, everyone. If there is any one moment, which you were like, it was a very surreal moment for you. Maybe it was interviewing that actor, or maybe there was a moment in that interview. What would that be for you?
Oh, that moment I think got viral on the internet. So I was interviewing John Abraham for Rocky Handsome, one of his films, in Mehboob Studio.
Okay.
Akshay Kumar puts on Twitter कि आज बीवी काम कर रही है, मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ. Then Akshay Kumar tweets in the afternoon कि आज ट्विंकल खन्ना के लिए मैं खाना महबूब स्टूडियो सेट पे लेके जा रहा हूँ. So होता क्या है, हमारे शूट महबूब में 9 स्टूडियोज हैं आमने सामने. So होता क्या है, I am in a conversation just like we are talking. तो ना ऐसे जोर से knock होता है and we say silence, and again knock होता है. Then John gets very upset, and then we open the door and see it's Akshay Kumar standing.
Yeah. I have seen that video. Yeah.
So then I said, "Acha, Akshay sir is not in makeup. He came with the tiffin box actually." So he is in chappals and normal black t-shirt and no makeup, nothing. And I just, अच्छा, being a Punjabi, we get along really well. So मैंने ना उनको थोड़ा सा ऐसे बोला, पाजी आप जॉन को दोस्त मानते हो ना, तो मैंने ना एक रैपिड फायर रात भर बैठ के तैयार किया है. अगर आपने सही सही जवाब दिया तो आप उनके फ्रेंड हो. Now imagine an over enthusiastic anchor just going up to Akshay Kumar and saying this, and Akshay sir agreed to it. And in chappal, he just came and sat. एक कुर्सी pull up, हमने प्लास्टिक की कुर्सी पकड़ी. John and Akshay sitting, and film Rocky Handsome hai, but they both like just nailed it in that rapid fire. Their bromance was viral and the news was viral. So that moment I can never forget.
Right. Okay. So on this note, thank you so much, Karan. May you have more such moments, and may whatever projects you are doing in future, it really get good response, and you deserve all the appreciation and applause. Thank you so much, Karan, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Puri, and all the best to you too.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Aneri and you all are watching me on Glitz Vision USA.